Now, thanks to the fact that we have, as a state, we have commissioned 10,778 Raitu Bharosa Kendras, RBKs as we call them, literally present in every village. 10,778 RBKs are present. And these RBKs actually handhold the farmer right from giving him the seed to actually helping the farmer to sell his produce. That is the function of these RBKs. So much so that you have e-cropping also taking place there. Literally in that particular village, with geo coordinates, with the person actually standing in that crop area, photographs taken, geotagging done, coordinates established, e-cropping data actually comes out. And this is actually verified, confirmed, giving them digital acknowledgement as well as physical acknowledgement as well. And having such Raitu Bharosa Kendras there, having such a setup put up in the village, if we can actually use this setup to make things right, then we would be doing a lot of good to the society. You have been gracious enough to allocate 9,160 banking correspondents who are going to be present in these RBKs. It's really a step worth appreciating. You have mapped so far 9,160 banking correspondents to these 10,778 RBKs, or rather you have posted 6,538 people there in these RBKs. The remaining 4,240 people also, if they were to be also posted in these RBKs, every RBK will have one banking correspondent who is seated there. And he can be used, the RBKs can use him, he can use the RBKs, he can literally be part of the e-cropping setup, what is actually happening. And this in turn could actually lead to real digital way of going forward.